and welcome back, y'all, with Lani. And today, as you can see, I have fruits and vegetables here. I'm gonna be testing out the Whuto cold press juicer. The Whuto. Woo! Okay, so it does come with a manual, and it comes in secure. You can get this on Amazon for $99.99. And it does come with gray, and the other color is yellow. I believe it's the knob to the juicer that changes colors. Okay, so these are plastic, so this looks like it goes to the top. Okay, the auger inside is orange. Cool. And this is made with stainless steel. Okay, the brush is green. And the cups. So let me go ahead and rinse these out, and I will get back to you. Of course, we got the main body, and right here is the anti-slip. This is the knob. It has 3 settings. It has on, off, and reverse. And of course, you cannot forget the cute logo. This is a great size. It does not take up so much counter space, and this is the reason why I think it's so cute and adorable. And here is the ventilation right here on the side. Of course, I said it was stainless steel, right? It's stainless steel. And let me go ahead and get into the cups. This is the juicing cup, and this is the pulp cup. So this is what's going to be catching the juice, and you do see the measurements over here. It does go up to 700, I think that's milliliters, ml. And of course, this is the pulp cup. You catch it. Now, this already came assembled, okay? This does have a safety feature. Before you even put it on, the lid has to be open, okay? And then before you take it off, the lid also has to be open. So again, that's a safety feature. The bottom part, this is the bottom chamber, and you can remove the auger for a great cleaning. This is the anti-oxidation cover right here. This is where the pulp is going to be coming out, and this is where the juice is going to be coming out. So you put the auger in there like that, and the auger is spiral. Now you're going to come to the main part, the main cup, and this is where you're going to put everything at, okay? And also the handy dandy cleaning brush. So you got to get it all up in here and there, and you can also turn the bottom as well, okay? I believe it looks like this. Okay, it fits in. And you hear that suction cup. And you will turn this until the white triangle goes to the lock. So there's an unlock and lock, so you go to the lock. And this is how it will look from the back once it's in place. And this is the pusher, okay? The pusher and the pusher cover. You may use this, you may not use this depending on your juicing. I think I will use this today to demonstrate on how it works. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Okay, right now it's off, so I'm going to turn it on. Do you hear that? And it's not loud. So in order to make sure it stays, you gotta push it down. You hear that clip. Let's talk about what we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the juicing cup right here, and it does have a beak. I forgot to mention that. It does have a beak. So today I will make an ABC juice. If you do not know what ABC juice, you have not been following me long enough. ABC juice is apples and beets and carrots, so ABC. So I have 1 medium-sized beet. I cut up like two large apples, like this size, and that will be my juice. That's gonna be my first round, and then my second round will be greens. I have green grapes, spinach, cucumbers, and celery. So we are going to be testing this out with 2 types of juice. Miss TT is here to help me. She always loves to juice with me. So we are going to be juicing. Let's do the green juice first because I don't want the red beet to cover it. Oh, here Kojo is. Okay, so I'm going to turn it facing them. So this made over 700 milliliter of juice. So let's test this out. You don't like it? No? Yeah, you do? Okay. You like it? You taste the grapes or celery?
Grapes.
You taste the grape?
You taste it too.
I taste the celery. Okay. So I do taste the grapes and celery. This did a pretty good job. Now let's go to the A, B, and C, and we're gonna wash it down with the cucumber at the end. And I am gonna add a little bit of the ginger. So I'm not gonna rinse this out, I'm just gonna use it. So this made well over 700 milliliter of juice, and I'm gonna just pour it in here so you guys can see. I think I should have added more beets, but this is so good. Now this is my review of the Whuto cold press juicer. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also follow me on social media. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.